Dean, and I got Jetson, and I'm Cade,
Yeah.
and we're gonna go camping.
Yeah, we're gonna go camping.
Yeah, y'all ready?
Yes, sir. When we get there, we gotta like 18.
We finally made it. We gotta get a campsite set up, and then we gotta get some fish because that's what we're eating for supper.
Yes, sir.
Hey, which one of y'all brought sticks with us? Did you not think we were gonna have any sticks when we got out here?
Not very much.
All right.
That's what's wrong. I'm gonna show you what's wrong.
Good helpers.
Seven is right. I'm tired of fasting, right? You need to watch.
Oh. That's a bunch of red ants.
Big.
Real.
Ew.
It's just called a moth.
Daddy, I'm waiting for something cool. I can smell moss fish. I can smell fish, right? Daddy, how do I get this out? Then, really? What I'm doing is catching it and laying it against all these. That way, if a fish comes, it'll start pulling on my fishing. So since catfish are so strong, do we lay our stuff against
Well,
like?
we need different bait if we're gonna catfish.
Gonna swallow the dragonfly. From that side. Oh, I see a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
You just gotta pull it in, bud.
Look, you cast it and you get a knife and cut him.
No fish, no moss fish. You almost caught yourself.
You almost got.
You got one? All right. We're not gonna starve.
Okay, thank you. What? Eye and mouth on the pole, and I just remove it. Okay, I think this is enough fish.
Oh, it is? Okay.
It's really heavy.
Okay. Oh, you got another one. No way. It's a catfish.
I'm a cat.
Listen, you did it all by yourself. Well, with Dean's help. Look here, Dean. You do me a favor. Hold this right here.
She's yuck.
Yeah, hold it right there. Get that out of her mouth.
That's your first catfish.
Oh,
Ha. Daddy. Oh, cute.
cute. You give it a kiss? Hey, that's all right.
Can you catch
Hey, you guys probably need to take lessons, I guess. Check it out. Look. Look at those geese.
Watch out.
Dean, okay. Try to reel it in again. Hey, I thought he was the best caster. I think this one was just swallowing it. Wow. Scream.
I'm so excited.
Come get it, Dean. Good deal. Let's see. Oh man, that's deep in there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can I take a turn with this? No. Well, Rick.
Right.
I'll put the light for you.
4 o'clock in the morning, and there's the wind just picked up. Those little guys are still sleeping. A huge storm getting ready to smoke us, and so right before it got real cold, I said, you know what, let's just just get her all picked up. So we did. It's 5:20 and we finally made it back to the house. Both the boys are in bed. I am soaking wet, so I'm gonna go dry off and try to get some sleep.
Pull my back. Yes. Daddy, look, we're doing it with the teamwork.
Just leave it.
We almost got it.
What are you gonna do with it after you get it out?
We're gonna make a fire. Got my diesel gun. Oh, you remember those fires? Hey, Dean, you were a fire breaker. Yeah, look. Hold my hand.
Yeah.
What? Oh.
All right.
Lucky water. Jet caught it.
Nice.
I think this. Let me up. I think that one was bigger than his, or I caught his.
Well, but if you.
Toss this one back in. I saw
I don't even know how-
Whoa, look, I did it!
Good job. Look at you. You're
Look.
becoming a little pro.
Oh, you caught two. There's snake in there. That was almost to the entire other side. Oh, dang, caught one! Wait, mine can eat it. No, I think it's
This one right
fish. I think this is a
Okay,
large
go
bass.
catch it. Oh, that's a good sized one.
Oh, can we eat? Oh,
Here, Jet. Come here.
yes.
You got it. Push down and back towards. There you go.
I didn't scoot him up a
Man, fish.
80 pounds.
80 pounds? I don't think quite 80 pounds.
Yes, we got the picture.
Really, man?
What the?
Holy moly! Dean, get him up here.
Lift that thing. How big that is.
Dean, come
Guys,
on.
look what I caught! It's 100 pounds!
Holy moly!
Good chuckles.
This is longer than your torso. You caught him right here at the front?
Whoa! Yeah, I'm trying to catch a shark. Bro, Jody told you there's no sharks in here. Take a look.
Fish. You got a hook right there? When you get the fish on, set the hook. Have you...
Fish. Whoa.
Yeah.
Got that one too. I don't know. Yours. You should have gone.
Scared of what?
Like, this grass is. We can just look it out the trail. Go on. Coming.
You over it? Okay.
Lion hair. I got skunk hair. We're on this monkey. I thought that was lion hair.
That is skunk hair.
This is all in the wood.
You're a good helper.
I can see him from here.
Hear me, go. I think I know how to bring this brown sauce. That looks like some pizza. Like. I can get them too. Looks like a.
We got some people that needed pizza. We got some people that are gonna eat some fish. You eating pizza or fish?
I do.
One for pizza. Jetson, what are you eating?
Pizza and fish.
Dean, what about you?
Same as him.
Pizza.
She knew we would bring pizza for her.
You.
Fish. Nope. I don't have a pan.
My eyes are about to burn off. Oh, we're getting a lot bigger. This family?
Oh, I'm afraid our pizza's burning.
I got it.
Well, it looks fabulous on the top. Whoop. 2 for 2.
Ready? What do you need? That's dirt. It's like a mud.
You want to see my gun poses? Justin, you want to see my gun poses? This one. This one. This one.
I just watched.
Smoke. Dean! Pizza! Time for pizza!
Well, I picked this trick up the last time I burnt the pizza. Let's see if it works again. Maybe she won't notice. You can't even tell. Looks good to me. Mm. Y'all ready to eat?
I climbed a tree.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah.
We made
Wait
it.
till you see all this fish. It looks so good. Let me try it first. Hold on.
Break that
Dean, come get
The whole thing is burned.
try a little bite.
And the whole thing is
What do you think? Is it good or yuck?
Oh, I want to eat some more.
It's good?
Good. Daddy, next time can please get more. I need some.
Yeah. Next time we will do a much better job.
100,000 fish.
Next time I need to bring a pan to fry the fish in.
Half camp, whole movie.
Half camp, whole movie.
1 pepperoni.
What do y'all think?
Good. Awesome. Best campfire pizza ever.
Try a bite.
Awesome. Daddy,
It's hot.
after this,
Mommy's sweating.
Daddy.
Sweating. Look at Bowen. Mommy and Bowen.
So we're heading home. It was a good good half camp. We're gonna do a whole movie. I just love my food. My spice. Love you, Mommy and Daddy.
I love you.
Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe.